Today's video is not going to be a regular video because I'm very busy this week and I actually don't have time to make a regular video. So instead I thought I'd show you some projects I have in mind for future videos and some jars I found. So first of all, I found these really tiny baby jars which can be sealed off, and I think I can do some very fun projects with these. Maybe some mini ecospheres or mini terrariums. So I'm quite excited about that. I also found this really big, fish bowl or vase. I don't know what it is. It doesn't really matter for what I'm going to use it for, but I think I can make a nice ecosphere out of this. Maybe even go crazy with shrimp or something. I just have to find a way to close it off, probably with some aquarium safe silicones and a piece of plastic or glass on top. And I also found this container, which is very cool. It's a weird shape, it's very long. It also has to be sealed off with aquarium safe silicones and plastic or something like that. I'm not sure yet, but I think I can make a very cool planted ecosphere out of this with a long plant straight in the middle. Actually, I'm going to put a poll right up here and I want you to vote if you want to see an update on the natural ecosphere, which is about 3 months old now and has some pretty exciting developments, or if you want to see a mini baby tiny little ecosphere in this jar. So vote up here what you want to see next week, and thanks for watching.